Hi, Shalom. This is an update on the construction of the Torah Bible School in Antipolo City, Philippines. So this is the second floor classroom, still not finished. The rooms are finished. There's 2 rooms. So this one is fully painted already, with no finish yet. The flooring has no finish, just the wall finish painted. This one is being painted right now. So this is a view from the window. It's all nature. Okay, another window. It's all nature. So as far as the construction plan is concerned, this is just one half of the project. We have spent already around $24,000 to finish the whole project, but still half. So we're not going to close down the walls here, because this is the second part. So another to fully complete the project. This is the second part. So this is the wall, the temporary wall. We believe that Jehovah Adonai will complete his work to build a first Torah Bible school. The second half, the plan needs another $24,000. So we're going downstairs. This one is almost roughly finished. This can accommodate like 40 people, 40 to 50 people. So this is the main Torah study hall. Upstairs is the classroom. So we're having our Shabbat meeting down here. Because of COVID-19, we can no longer meet in the city. So we move outside in the farm setting. So this is it. So it's all nature. You can see chickens around, trees, all kinds of trees. Our children are so happy. Our children are so... Say hi, say shalom.
Shalom. Hi, shalom.
So the project is still being continued. So to those who wants to donate, please do so at messiahlivingtorah@gmail.com. So for donation, you can do that for the glory of Adonai, Yahweh, at messiahlivingtorah@gmail.com. Shalom, shalom. God bless you.